Hello! Yan, kasusundo ko lang dyan kay ate. And ayun. Kamusta mga kapatid? Yeah, we're back. Training tayo ulit. Lapit na kasi yung tournament ni Rashard. By the way, actually parang hindi ko nabanggit yung lalaroan niya kasi is not dito sa state namin. I mean, sa Las Vegas yun. So, yeah. Kailangan niya talaga mag-training. Ngayon, hinihintay ko lang siya. May sumama doon sa kaibigan namin ng puntang mall. Maya-maya darating na yun. Maaga pa naman, mamaya pa yung pasok ko. So, yeah, mag-runs lang kami ng konti. Mabilis lang na konting training lang. And then, yun. Hindi lang pwede mabakante. Sayang yung oras. Malapit na yung tournament. Next week na yun. And yun, by the way guys, yeah, maraming salamat ulit. We're here again. And yun, pinagdadasal ko pa rin na syempre lahat tayo pare-pares tayong nasa mabuting sitwasyon, nasa magandang kalusugan. Alam mo yun. And yun, keep praying lang and asking kay God, walang imposible. Alright, so keep safe and stay blessed mga kapatid. Alright, so balik ako sa inyo ulit mamaya. Hinihintay ko lang siya maya. Magbibis na rin ako. Actually nag-workout na ako. Inuna ko na yung workout ko para dire-diretso na kayo mamaya doon sa court. Doon ulit, outdoor ulit tayo. Alright, see you later.
At Tito Justin's house?
Let's go. Ayan na, kadarating lang nitong estudyante natin na maghapon wala. Have you enjoyed? Yeah, punta muna tayo sa court mga kapatid. Ayan siya. You ready?
Yeah.
Training? Alright, see you later. Wala natin patawirin yung mga yan guys. Oh man,
He almost ran into them. We couldn't
Geese.
see them.
Goose. Let's go. I think they're good. See you later. Hindi kayo magsilipad. Lakad kayo ng lakad. Ayaw, we're here. Medyo hindi na ganun kainit. Saktong-sakto lang to. Hapon na eh. Alas 7 na yata. 7 PM. And yun. Nakita nyo yung mga goose, duck, I don't know what's, pero kita nyo nagtatawiran, pila-pila malapit dun sa amin palabas. Paglabas naman namin dun sa highway, traffic din, ang haba din ng pila ng mga kotse kasi may tumatawid naman tren. Medyo matagal-tagal yun. Anyways, we're here, finally here. So yeah, i-start na tayo in a while. Yeah. Alright guys, we'll start na. Shard, move back. When I say go, you dribble in place. And then, when I say go, then you start moving. So, dribbling drills tayo muna. 2 balls. And then, maglalagay din tayo ng konting footwork. And then, layup and shooting na. Last time kasi, nung nag-film kami, di niya natapos yung drills, yung workout namin nun kasi sobrang init that time. Pero yung mga the previous day naman na hindi namin ginawa, medyo okay naman. So ngayon yun yung gagawin natin. Dribbling first, then footwork, a little footwork, then layup and shoot. Okay, Shard, come on, stationary dribble, start it now. Lower, fast dribble, fast. Only on your fingertips. Come on, let's go. Go. Yeah, come on. Balance. Have to move that cone around. Going back there, move backward. Lower Shard, fast dribble. Faster. You can do better than that. Come on. Good job. Come on, let's go. Nice. Good. Control the ball. This time, sabay yung bola. And then later, we have to do this 3 times. And then next drill is alternate dribbling, but same thing. Come on, let's go. Go back up to the start. Good job. All right, next one is alternate. Same thing, alternate, but a little bit lower, Shard. So, yun mga kapatid, gagawin natin to para at least meron tayong ball control, meron tayong ano sa bola. I mean, yung tayo yung nagko-control sa bola, hindi yung bola nagko-control sa atin. So again, familiarize yung bola sa palm, sa fingertips natin para ma-practice yung yung dribbling natin, skill. That's why we're doing this. Actually, isa lang to sa mga drills na nakikita kong importante din when it comes to dribble. At least the same time, simultaneous, gumagana yung dalawang kamay, left and right. Lalo na pag, like for example, right-handed ka lang. So yung strength mo, right lang. So if you're doing these drills, at least, pati yung weak hand mo, which is yung left, for example, you're right-handed, so yung weak hand mo is yung left, at least tumatrabaho din siya, the same thing nung ginagawa nung right hand mo. So yun, so let's go Shard, to the line. Mga simple tips lang din. Sana may natututunan tayo, may makuha kayo sa amin. Alright, let's go Shard, on the line. Good. When I said go, you start moving. Good, come on, dribble, 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 dribble. Good job. Come on Shard, dribble hard, fast and low. Go. Same thing, slowly but surely. Yan. Shard, your dribble Shard is changing. Don't change while you move. Same thing as you do on your pag nandun ka sa stationary. So when you move, same thing your dribble Shard. What's wrong with that? Come on, let's go. Alternate. Come on, dribble quick, faster. Yeah, very good. Come on Shard, concentrate. Come on Shard. Very good. All right, next exercise. So we're done doing that, 3 sets, and then next exercise almost the same. 2 balls dribbling, same thing, stationary. When I said go Shard, go, but this time we have to go zigzag on that cones. All right, zigzag. And medyo ngayon mga kapatid, medyo lalagyan natin ng konting speed lang. Pero hindi pa rin siya tatakbo, mag-walk pa lang din. Importante kasi talaga yung balance niya sa bola, yung balance ng bola sa kamay niya, at the same time yung balance ng katawan niya and yung footwork niya. So let's go Shard, come on, let's go, start it, start dribbling. Come on, dribble, dribble, dribble. When I said go, you have to move over the cones. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, go. A little bit faster. Good. Control the ball Shard. Very good. Very good. Come on, let's go. Move, 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 move. Faster, a bit faster. A bit faster Shard. Come on. Very good. Control the ball. Good job. It's okay. It's okay. At time you stumble, but it's okay. You have to go back. Very good. It's okay. Then you have to step that. Then run back there to the other side. Good job. Good job. Then run back there to the other side.
Run.
We have to do that 3 times.
Run.
On your position. All right, we're done for that set. So next, ganun pa rin, but this time Shard, alternate. All right, same thing. On place, and then when I said go, you move. Come on, start dribbling. Ganun pa rin yan guys. Alternate naman ngayon. Yan. Tapos same thing, tatakbo pa na siya dun sa cones. All right. Para lang meron siyang balance. And again, control on the ball. Come on, dribble low Shard, lower, lower, lower. Sharp dribble Shard. Come on, pound the ball hard. Good. 10, 9, 8. Come on, dribble Shard, dribble. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Control the ball Shard. Come on, let's go. Dribble hard, harder, harder, harder. Alternate. Yeah, good. Come on Shard, come on, come on, come on. Control the ball. Don't be in a hurry Shard, no rush. Good. Quick dribble Shard. Faster, faster, faster. Good. It's okay. You're fine. Good job. Good job. Alright, next one. So we're done the 2 ball dribbling, 2 balls dribbling. So ito naman yung sinasabi ko na guys, lalagyan natin ng konting footwork. Alright? So we do this ladder and then to the cones. So I think this is what you're gonna do, Shard. So this is what you're gonna do, mga kapatid. Balls up, ladder, feet, in, out, like in, out, but we have to do it quick. When we get here, start dribbling. Left foot, out, in, out, while dribbling on your right. When you get here, layup, okay? Layup, sure layup, alright? Okay. Got it. Alright, go. Quick. Good. Dribble on your right. Good. Control the ball. Nice one. Come on, run. You have to do it quick. So we're gonna do that 5 times. Come on, in, out. Balls up. Good. Yan muna yung papagawa natin sa kanya sa ladder kasi yung iba nakakalito. Hindi niya pa ano. Layup. Sure layups. Come on, run. 3 more. Let's go. Good job. We have to do that 5 times.
Left hand. When we did right hand there, we did here. Now we do.
Yeah, you dribble on your left hand now. We reverse it. You need to do that 5 times. Come on, let's go. Faster. Good. In, out. Good. Good job. Come on, run back. Good job. Come on, let's go. It's okay. Run back. One more.
Everything in basketball. Point guard, shooting guard, small forward, power forward, center. I can do anything. I'll show you how a big man does it. Big man plus point guard.
What are you saying? A post-up move? Oh man, that's horrible.
I made it.
Come on, let's go. So natapos niya na yung yung drills na yon. Papashootin ko lang siya. Ito, shooting lang siya and then free throws na mga siguro 10 maids and then yeah, we're done. All right. Come on, Shard.
Huh?
Let's go. Continue. Let's go. Shooting drills. Follow your shots. Follow through. Good. One. 1, 2. 2. One more. Three out of 5. Come on. Let's go. 3 out of 5. Make that 5. Perfect. 1. 1. It's okay. Medyo yung form niya na iba, pero iibahin ulit natin yan. 2-1. Get the other ball. I-stuck yung bola. 2-1. 2-2. 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3, yeah. Middle. 0-1. Come on, Shard. Low percentage. 1-1. 2-1. 3-1. One more. Short. 3 out of 5. Come on. Out of spot. Sure ball, Shard. Follow through. 0-1. 1-1. 1, 2. 2, 2.
Huh?
2, 2. Yeah, one more. Three out of 5. Good shot. Side. Come on, that's last pat. Last pat.
Oh, my butt hurts
The wood.
from jumping.
Awa. Go get the other ball. May stuck yung bola. Come on, 1. One. 2-1. Go, follow your shots. Come on. Last 2. 2-2. Shot. Again, position yourself first before you make a shot. 2-2. Two out of 3. All right, free throws, 10. So free throws. Go ahead.
What's that?
Go ahead.
What's that?
10 free throws. I don't know. Hold it. Concentrate on your free throws. Follow through. Straight up. Up. Straight up. Follow through. Straight up. Follow through. 1.
Get him the other ball.
Here 1. Come on, go. Keep shooting. Here 1. One shot. 2-1. 3-1. One shot. Shot, please.
No, I
Do
was
it properly. Come on, sir, please. Do it properly. Yeah, on the line. Very good.
No, because you know how I shoot here and
Keep
stuff.
getting shots. Yeah, come on. Stop it. So 4-1. That's horrible, George. 5-1. Ayaw kasi ayusin. Seryosohin eh. 5-2. See? Focus, George. Focus. 5-3. Last 2. Last 2. 6-3. 7-3.
Yeah.
Score. Okay. Keep practicing. Alrighty, we're done. So that's it muna for today. At least, importante hindi nababakante. Importante nakaka-workout maski pa paano every day. So yeah, keep practicing lang. Although he's missing shots, that's okay. Madali lang ano yan. Ma-memorize yan, but you have to practice hard, Shard. I told you. We still have
A week?
1 week. Yeah, we still have a week
You know what's
to fly
not
to
good?
Vegas for the tournament.
You know what's not good?
What's that?
Look at the ball in the hoop.
The ball in the hoop.
It always gets stuck.
Yeah, so yun guys, maraming salamat ulit mga kapatid. So please again, help us to
Yeah.
make this channel big. Not so big, not I mean, yeah, para ano lang, subscribe lang, and then yeah, para
The like goal for this video is at least 200 likes.
200 likes.
Yes.
So he's asking 200 likes for this video. No, anyways, yeah, subscribe, and if you hit that notification bell, share button, maraming salamat. Really appreciate that. And yeah, yun lang. Kung nakaabot kayo up to this part of this video, maraming salamat once again. And yeah, always take care, praying and hoping that you always in a good situation. And yeah, palagi lang tayong healthy, make ourselves healthy, you know. And yeah, keep praying, keep asking God, keep believing. All right, nothing is impossible with Him. So again guys, maraming salamat. Stay safe and God bless you all. All right, Shar, do you want to say something?
Look.
Miss again. See you guys.